In this video, you learn the I sound. The letters I and E are vowels, and together they make the I sound. When two vowels come together in words, usually the first vowel says its name. And in this case, I comes before E. Therefore, I says its name. So we say I whenever we see these two letters coming together. Okay? Now, to remember the I sound, I like to add a fun, jolly phonics action to it. You put your hands by your eyebrow and you say, I. Again, I. One more time, I. Great, you did so good. So let's practice reading the I sound in words. I, pie, pie. O-I-D, O-I-D, lied, lied. I, tie, tie. I-D, I-D, tide, tide. I'm, I'm, time. In this word, a consonant comes between the two vowels I and E. This E is a magic E. It jumps over the consonant and it changes the sound to a long I sound, like in time. Tried, 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 tried. Like, like. In this word like, we again have a magic E which jumps over the K and changes the I sound to I. Thank you so much, kids, for watching, and I will see you in another video. I love you. Bye.